Sweet land of liberty. Eagle head charge!
I am the angry bird god of the Badlands! Fear me!
What the hell?
The Badlands is pure agony!
What the hell is that?
Let's see. Yes, good. I still look magnificent.
I am scared, you maggots.
I am a robot from the future.
I am a unicorn. There are many unicorns like me, but I am the prettiest.
Roger that. Come with me if you want to live. With me in my apartment. I need a roommate.
Yes!
Oh no.
I am Archimedes! Ha 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 ha!
Oh no, I hope the scary wizard doesn't guess my car.
I am programmed to be scary.
You wizard ghost maggot!
Dominated, I'm still your friend.
Bombhead, I got a good feeling about this. Come on, 7! Ha! I'm coming for you, wizard!
We have you surrounded.
Hasta la vista! Everyone down! He's got a book! It's a book! He's going to read!
If you know what's good for you, you will run.
Tonight your ass will be visited by 3 ghosts. My foot, my other foot, and a ghost.
No. Checkmate, Stalingrad.
Oof! Did I win? I won! No, wait. This is what God would use to shoot somebody.
Let's go.
My God.
I am terrified.
Oh,
Confidentially, doctor to patient, that is a stupid hat! We did it!
I did it.
Well, whatever.
you can have this when you pry it from my cold, dead hands. And even then, good luck, because I will have glued it to my cold, dead hands.
Nice shot.
Thanks! This is what the president must feel like all the time.